Hello everyone, so I'm going to talk about the photographs I took for this Unit 6 assignment. So I'm going to start off with the natural lighting first, and then I'll go on to an artificial lighting. So first I have an angel that I took around the morning time. So this is the first image, and the information for this photo was ISO was 100, aperture was 5.0, shutter speed was 1 of 500. So I also made a black and white version of this one, so here it is. And I went ahead and just made it black and white. I did the color balance to it too, so because like there was like a lot of light shining on the head right here, so I went ahead and balanced that out. The next image I have is the cat right here. I took this around like in the afternoon this day, and there was really no clouds, so like there was more natural light, more natural sunlight. So yeah, there's that. And so the ISO was 200, aperture was 5.0, and the shutter speed was 1 of 1000. Next, I have a natural light image. This was taken about an hour before sunset, and for this one, the ISO was 200, the aperture was 4.0, and the shutter speed was 1 of 400. And for the last one, this one was taken also before sunset. As you can see, the sun setting over there. So like literally, like it was at sunset. So the ISO was 200, aperture 6.3, and the shutter speed was 1 of 100. Alright, now I'm gonna go on to the artificial lighting. So I took a picture of my son in this picture. I used flash for artificial lighting, and the ISO is 400, aperture 3.5, and shutter speed is 1 of 15. And I also did the black and white version for this photo. I went ahead and did a little bit of color balance just to like even out like some of the wider areas of the flash also. Next I have this lemon I took. It was like a combination of like flash and what do you call it, like the oven light on top. So because the light was off in my kitchen, it gets like really dark, so I went ahead and did that. I did I guess contrast the photo a little bit so you can see the shadow on the bottom, and but that's about it. I really just add a little bit more shadow on the bottom right here. So ISO is 200, aperture is 4.0, and shutter speed is 1 of 80. The next image I have is a monkey I took with the room lighting, and ISO is 100, aperture is 3.5, and the shutter speed is 1 second. Yeah, 1. And lastly, I have a pan that I just took with the natural oven light. Well, actually, it's not like it's like the inside of the pan. So the ISO is 200, aperture is 4.0, and the shutter speed is 1 of 160. And I didn't really have many troubles with this assignment. The only trouble I may have had was, I guess, like the timing of like the sunset, because like some like a lot of the days were like really cloudy or like close to being cloudy, except like for the ones I had taken previously before this photo shoot. But other than that, everything came out great. Thank you all for watching.